The gap between digital and biological is narrowing by the second. There's nanotechnology, which are microscopic robots that can get injected into your bloodstream and reproduce, make more of themselves. Your cells themselves, the biological cells that they are, communicate with each other by use of electronics, electromagnetics, and electricity in general. Each human being has a charge. We all glow in infrared. Can't see it, but we do glow. Our cells communicate with electricity. Our minds, our brains are like a computer, hard drive, processor. With a couple of years, it's easy to predict, or it's safe to say, that there will be biological androids, so to speak, that are very close to humans. There already are now, but not as close as I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is biological robots, machines that have learned how to biologically replicate. And although they don't have an instinctual drive to do so, they're capable of doing that. And we wouldn't be able to tell the difference between what a human is and a biological human, or an android human. Everything from subatomic particles to atomic particles to molecules to cells behave in a way that is very similar to a robot, partially because we design robots to mimic us, but essentially when it gets to the point where they could replicate biologically, we wouldn't be able to tell the difference. This is where I think Brent comes in with his dicyanin goggles when you stake out. Remember, Brent, you didn't see any auras? You were sitting outside of a Walmart or something? Well, I think that most of us don't have auras because most of us aren't human beings, per se. We think we are, we look like we are, there's nothing to distinguish us from them, but what's to say that your blood cells aren't each individual little tiny robots? And each cell in your body isn't a programmed machine that just operates in biological terms. Subatomic particles don't change shape when we observe them, but do when we do not. That's indicative of a computer program as well, not being able to handle the capacity of both possibilities, so it only changes when our perception is on it. Or actually, it doesn't change when the perception is on it. The human eye has a 576 megapixels. Anything above that, we can't see the detail, so we wouldn't be able to tell the difference between a video that is 580 megapixels and real life. It's safe to say that we are all already robots, but just biological ones. We calculate, we think like them, we feel like them, because you can give robot feelings now, you can program them with emotions. So what's the point then? Why are we here? What are we doing? Why the simulation? It doesn't really matter, I guess. The fact that we're in it is all that matters. It's better to come out on top and do what you know is right.